Hi guys, today we have a new topic, maxima and minima. Means the peak value, the peak position of a curve, or the bottom of the curve, or the lowest point. So just like we have a curve y equals to fx, right now a is its peak, or you can say highest point, and b is the lowest point. So in local language we can say this is a maxima and this is minima. So how to check this? This curve is shows maxima and minima. So we have two tests. One is first derivative test and second is second derivative test. So today we will discuss first derivative test. According to this test, you can say first derivative test. So according to this test, we have a equation. It's a given function, given curve. That is y equals to fx. So working rule is this: first we will collect its first derivative, as we have titled first derivative test. So first derivative is essential. So first we derive this and we get f dash x. So on differentiation, we get the first derivative, and now we put it f dash x equals to 0 and solve it for the values of x, for the values of x. Let us consider we get the values of x just like a, b, etc. And we want to check this on these values. What is the position of the curve? Is it maxima or minima? So for checking this, to check for maxima or minima, so we will consider any value of x, just like we'll consider let x equals to a. So just like this, x equals to a. So we will consider 2 points nearer to this point a, so slightly lesser value and slightly higher value. So slightly lesser value, then a, it will be a minus h, and slightly higher or slightly more value, that will be a plus h. And we put this in first derivative, as we have first derivative test. So we put these values in f dash x. So when you place lesser value like a minus h in f dash x, and we will consider the sign of, observe the sign of f dash x. Similarly, when we put a plus h slightly more value in f dash x, first derivative test. Then we observe the sign of f dash x again. So if the sign of f dash x on this, let us consider it is positive, and on higher value it is negative. If the sign of f dash x changes positive to negative, then we will say there is a maxima, there is a position of maxima. If the sign of f dash x changes positive to negative, that indicates local maxima. Now the next value, let x equals to b. So slightly lesser value and slightly more value will be, and that is b minus k and b plus k, and k is very small positive value, so it is very small difference. So when we put these values in f dash x, so slightly less value in f dash x, so that is the f dash b minus k, and we will check the sign, we will observe the sign. Similarly, we put slightly more value in f dash x first derivative, like f dash b plus k, k tends to 0, so very small little value, positive value. So right now again we observe the sign of f dash x. If sign of f dash x changes from negative to positive, it shows the local minima. So this is the first derivative test. According to this, we will get the local maxima and local minima. It's very simple. First we collect f dash x, then we put f dash x equals to 0, get the values of x, and put these values slightly less and slightly more in f dash x, and we will observe the sign of f dash x. If it changes positive to negative, sign of f dash x, that shows local maxima, and if it changes negative to positive, then it shows local minima. If no change, positive to positive or negative to negative, so in this condition we can say neither local maxima nor minima. And when we put f dash x equals to 0, then we collect the values of x, and these values of x, yeah, these points are known as stationary points. Or you can say turning points. So according to nature of curve, by this maxima minima, we can check the nature of curve. It is peak position or its lowest bottom position, and what is the change in the nature of curve as we pass through highest point or lowest point. Just like we have a function and it shows the curve like this. So this is the point. If we draw a tangent on slightly lesser value, then x equals to a. This is x equals to a point. So if it is a minus h, then if we draw a tangent, so it is rising, increasing. Means we have function fx and we are checking maxima or minima at x equals to a stationary point or turning point. So we consider the two values nearer to this point, that is x equals to a minus h and this is a plus h, slightly lesser and slightly more value. So at a minus h means slightly lesser value, if we draw a tangent, then if it is f dash x shows positive sign, that means function is increasing. Means curve goes up. And at a plus h, if f dash x is negative, that means dy over dx, this is a slope is negative, so it is downward. On this point, if we consider a tangent, so it goes down, so function is decreasing, so downward. That is, if f dash x changes positive, increasing to decreasing, negative, so this shows slope goes up. It's a acute angle, but this is obtuse angle, so it is this and then downward. So first increasing, then decreasing, so this indicates curve is increasing, and on this position it is decreasing. So this indicates this is the peak point or the highest point. Or you can say this is maxima. position of maxima, local maxima. Now on this position, this is A and this is B. On this position, x equals to B at point B, or you can say x equals to B. So there are two values slightly lesser, B minus K and B plus K. K is very small value, K tends to 0. So if at B minus K, that is slightly lesser value and slightly more value, so it is B minus K. So when we draw a tangent, so it is decreasing downward. If f dash x is negative, so this shows the slope of the curve is obtuse or curve is decreasing. Fx, or you can say curve, is decreasing. If at higher value than B, if f dash x is positive, that shows its slope is positive, increasing. So it will be like this. So first decrease, then increase. So it is a lowest point, you can say function or curve is increasing. So the nature of curve is turn, first decreasing then increasing. So it is the lowest point, or you can say minima. So if f dash x changes negative to positive, f dash x negative means slope is negative, tangent is negative, or function is decreasing. So and the sign of f dash x is positive, then curve is rising, or you can say increasing. This information indicates it is a lowest point. So point B is lowest point. That shows minima, or you can say local minima.